What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test another gadgets for firewood. How to make firewood the perfect clean every single time. Well, I got this gadget for that, ultimate firewood marker. So let's open it up. Nothing special. Right here a plastic thing right here, a handle, and I also bought separately a paint. Looks like I'm supposed to remove this top on the paint. Ah man, and this is a marking paint that washes away from the rain really easily. And if you look over here where you're going to put the bolt for the wheel that's gonna go inside here, as you can see it tells you the size of your firewood that you want. It says wheel size 14, 16, 18 and 24 to 20 inches. I'm gonna do just 14 inches just to see what it looks like. This knob right here hits this part all the time, and I guess that's what makes it spray. Yep, and all we have to do is turn it to the side and it sprays. So then we're going to put the paint in and then put the bolt back in. This is really easy to remove it. And this right here, little safety so it doesn't unscrew. Boom. Let's see. Up, too tight. Yep, it spins really easily. Now let's see how it works. Of course, don't forget to reset all the way to the back, so that way the first piece is also the right 14 inches or whatever you're going to set it on. So don't forget to preset it. Oh, one more, I just realized I'll have to take off the cap right here. Man, I wish I was wearing gloves, because now all my hands are gonna be messed up. Now we're going to put it back in, the marking paint. Okay, we're gonna start it all the way back at 14 inches. Now the most comfortable thing to walk in, but as you can see, it works really great. Boom. And now you cut it in the middle of the dot, and that way each piece, each fire log will be 14 inches perfect. With 14 inches it looks like it works really well. Let's start to do the same thing at like maybe 18 inches and let's see the difference. This is how easy it is to replace and change the size. Just take off the screw. I said we're gonna do it at 18 inches. I'll put it on 18 inches and screw it back on. So very easy. And also make sure this knob is on the other side right here, otherwise it won't work. You see right here, this is what making it spray. So don't do the same mistake. Now we have to do this again, flip the wheel around so that way it works. Perfect. And now we have each log is 18 inches. Awesome. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this firewood marker. I think it's pretty good. It's actually really helpful to make all your firewood exactly the same size, so that way it's actually a lot easier to stack it in a firewood shed or wherever you stack your firewood for it to season. You know what, I like it. I'm actually gonna use it a lot. And it's like once I buy it, it's plastic. I don't think I'll break it anytime soon. And this paint will last me a long time, pretty sure. You know, when they do electricity or they have to dig in your driveway, they always mark the ground with this paint, and this paint washes off in the rain really easily. So I'm not worried about the paint that much on my firewood, because it will just wash off. But yeah, really cool gadget. Always try to find something new and unique that helps you do your job a lot easier every single day. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.